Hi guys, so today I am recording a quick clean with me video. We normally aren't home on Saturdays, especially not Saturday mornings. We're normally out and about, running around, doing errands, and just go. And today was one of those few exceptions where we were home. I decided to super clean my kitchen, which desperately needed it. And in doing that, the girls were in the playroom. Is exactly what it's designed for. They made a mess, so it looks like a bomb went off. So right now they're sleeping, and I just want to do a quick tidy up, run the vacuum, get it looking back to a normal room, so that way it's not that big of a mess this evening when we put them to bed and do our quick pickup before we go to bed. If you want to see how I do that and do it super quick, just keep watching. And if you like videos like this, hit the like button and subscribe down below. So I start by picking up all the toys in the playroom. I just go through, put all the toys in their designated places, pick up the shoes, clothes, and all those other fun things. Once I get all the toys picked up and put away and all the little containers picked up, I take all the big toys out of the playroom so that way I can vacuum the floor without having to move stuff all the time. It just makes things easier that way and way less stressful and quicker. So once I get done fighting with the vacuum cleaner cord, I start in the middle of the playroom, and I have a method to my madness. I start here because this seems to be the area that attracts most of the crumbs and dirt between the kids and the dog and the cat. It just takes a beating. So I try to get that area done multiple times and every different which direction just to make sure that I get all the dirt up. And then I make sure to hit the high traffic areas as well, spending just a little extra time to ensure that the floor is clean.
basketball.
once I get the vacuum picked up and put away, I go ahead and pull all the toys back out of the kitchen area so I can put them away and get them just kind of set up for the girls to play with again later on in the day once they get up from their nap. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye.